I want to talk to you about calcium-D-glucurate because it has been the subject of a lot of medical research, especially at Sloan Kettering Cancer Institute or Sloan Kettering Cancer Research Center. And because they're finding it is as effective as some chemotherapies for cancer. Our body is exposed to toxins, and today we're exposed to an amount of synthetic toxins that is unheard of in human history, I think, especially xenoestrogens. Xenoestrogens are synthetic estrogens, and they're found in plastic bottles, and they leach into the water, and then when we throw those bottles away, they go into the groundwater, and nothing really gets them out. And there's other things too. A lot of things that can cause DNA to mutate and cause these mutations to start forming cancer. Our body wants to get rid of those toxins. And it gets rid of a lot of these toxins through a process called conjugation. And conjugation, that it binds to these toxins and makes them water soluble so we can excrete them in our urine, or that they go into our bile and then into our gut and then are eliminated. And the higher fiber diet you have, the more of that bile, that toxic bile, gets carried out. There is an enzyme called beta-glucuronide, which separates the toxins from the conjugation so that, again, the toxins are in our body. Calcium-D-glucurate inhibits the beta-glucuronide so that it's not effective. You can get a lot of it from diet like Brussels sprouts and cruciferous vegetables, but most of us don't eat enough of that. Plus, we're just exposed to these very high volumes of toxins. Calcium-D-glucurate has been shown to reduce breast cancer by 70%. In rats with colon cancer, calcium-D-glucurate caused a 60% drop in tumor incidence. Calcium-D-glucurate also reduces the number of time that cancer cells multiply. It slows their growth. One of the reasons that smokers develop lung cancer is believed to be low levels of CDG, or calcium-D-glucurate. Smokers have 29% less D-glucuric acid than healthy people. Another study showed that calcium-D-glucurate decreased skin cancer formation by 30%. It's not guaranteed to prevent cancer, but everything helps. Calcium-D-glucurate will help detoxify the liver for 5 hours, whereas glucuric acid will do it for about an hour. So this is very long lasting. You get more bang for your buck. So helping your body rid itself of toxins helps your body be healthier and function better. Estrogen dominance is one of the leading causes of infertility in men, cancer, and other problems, women too. One of the most common treatments for high estrogen levels is a drug called tamoxifen, but it has a lot of side effects like strokes, blood clots, uterine cancer, cataracts. Research is showing that calcium-D-glucurate can be just as effective as tamoxifen in treating estrogen dominance. A review in 2003 showed that calcium-D-glucurate could be as effective in preventing cancer as tamoxifen. In one study, calcium-D-glucurate was able to reduce the number of estrogen receptors in women by 48%, and it's been shown to lower serum estrogen by 23%. Also in humans, calcium-D-glucurate lowers cholesterol by 12%, and the bad cholesterol, or LDL, by 28%, and it can lower triglycerides by 43%. Calcium-D-glucurate, don't leave home without it.